Hello guys and welcome to Elexhub YouTube channel. Another day, another tutorial from Elexhub Engineering Department. Ang tatalakayan natin ngayon ay kung ano ang flex sensor at kung paano ito gamitin gamit ang Arduino Uno R3. Ang flex sensor ay isang variable resistor na nagbabago ang resistance depende on how much it is bent. Ito ay maihalin tulad sa isang potentiometer. Pinakamababa ang resistance ng flex sensor when it is straight and flat on the surface. On the other hand, the resistance increases as it bends, reaching the maximum when it is at a 90-degree angle. Karaniwang ginagamit ang flex sensor sa robotics, wearable technology, game controllers, at motion trackers. Ang gagamitin natin na flex sensor for this project ay merong haba na 2.2 inch. Katulad ng resistor, meron itong dalawang pins to retrieve data from the flex sensor. Ang flex sensor na ito ay designed to be bent in only one direction. Nasa labas ang conductor at nasa loob naman ang text. Masisira ang flex sensor when it is bent in the opposite direction. Furthermore, ingatan ang bottom part at pins of the flex sensor dahil madali ito mabali when it is bent over. Para naman sa wiring connection ng flex sensor at Arduino Uno R3, mula sa flex sensor to Arduino Uno R3, gagamit tayo ng 10K resistor. I-connect ang isang pin sa 5V pin, i-connect ang kabilang pin sa analog pin 0. Ito ang magsisilbing output pin ng flex sensor. Maglalagay tayo ng 10K resistor between the flex sensor's output pin and ground of the Arduino Uno R3. This forms a voltage divider circuit. As the flex sensor bends, the red value at analog pin 0 will change and we can measure that change gamit ang Arduino's analog to digital converter. Magpatungo naman tayo sa sketch ng Arduino Uno R3. Define the connected pins for flex sensor. Declare the needed variables such as VCC, value of the resistor, minimum with maximum value of the flex sensor at 0 and 90-degree angles. Proceeding to the setup function, set the pin mode of flex sensor as input. Proceeding to the loop function, read the output of the flex sensor, convert the read value to voltage using this formula. Calculate the resistance of the flex sensor using the voltage divider formula. Map the calculated resistance to be used in analog write function. The calculated resistance and map resistance would be printed in the serial monitor. Dito na nagtatapos ang ating project. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa tutorial na ito. To learn more, subscribe to Elexhub YouTube channel. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!